You know, the super class, you know, has the folk NCC chairman, Elvis Herman Hasey. Omo neighborhood house neighborhood. Na obi amunim say Kotoko Kumase ba ne say na mo pohom amanko kepkus. Ana manko so boase. Na mo select Kumasi as mo home venue.
Kumasi any football ewa bakosem. Accra to folk any Kumasi ewa bakosem. And Accra to folk any Kotoko ewa ba. Inti edru emre say mpenifo e fadwen as to be a yedi e match be kon. You consider a lot your permutations be brave. Na ninyina na BC say from Kumasi. One of the reasons very yenyina enim say Accra to folk enjoy maximum and tremendous support Kumasi. And no undeniable fact. Say team no ba bia we are very comfortable playing in Kumasi. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na awokekana e free supporters or but it is for no doubt say the Ashanti Regional Chapters Committee one of the most powerful regional chapters committee. So in considering the role of our supporters Kumasi, any team nankasa honkeka anytime they are playing at the Kumasi Sports Stadium, stability, any the way omutumi relaxi at the bomb. Always history to be made in Kumasi. We win against Asante Kotoko. It is very important. So I said the match in the bar. We did not consider anything like fear because teams will be when it comes to fear. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We don't have fear for Kotoko. They are our brothers. We will continue to be with them, but the records will always remain records. And per records ayanya Kumasi any matches any omabo any any supporters na can na ye fi say ye de beba. Another thing is to say yes how Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters say we are also bringing the match to your death na mumbehwe mu team ye very risky the lives of majority or many of the Kotoko supporters because ene ye ka say they call keep supporters no so afu ba na ye supporters ye Kumasi there is too much risk involved. So we consider the fact that very good support base. Kumasi. One of the support base of Mutumi cheer team for 90 minutes. So I'm saying so bizarre. We mun some of the reasons.
We has the folk chairman, supporters, NCC. The reason why I almost selected Kumasi, I'm the game in the back Kumasi. They say has my performance and has performance and nye. Na ona ya supporter saman na emrebe twem kana ka board no ho. Who say dear na has intimi performing despite quality amuo. Agbasima ba mokofa wa net we to ntana sa. Eso mo dan ho di mare mo dan ho. But still na has intimi performing. Who say dear na has intimi performing. Elvis Herman Hasey.
Over the years, struggle by any Kotokushia, ye nim bibi enya ye spirit. Ye nim bibia ye biankasa ye nim. Say idea ba kwa media chakra. So we want to use our opportunity and also rely on history. Our boys are not performing. They are not performing badly. Yeah, ye team no ye can't team na say ye can say ye TV. Ye the team no too quiet. Ye Kobe bia ye nim what we are saying. The boys are playing well. The only unfortunate aspect is say goes and no pay and anaka and the team need I think you're working on one or two things it can still bounce back. We have about few matches, then the second round will start. I'm sure say penny for any your problems you best sort out obia teams obia and take off ye Kotoko kra obekaya struggling teams are fortunate kakra there's some few weeks in this adwene be so mutrima
we sama chairman Elvis Hasey the ato edwa ye the gate fee amount referee ko the game no ye the honsem nyina e the amount dada FA no the Ghana Football Association for the first time in many years omo promote league no pa especially has for Kotoko and o my dey become a the Ghana Football Association eton safre has for legend I friend no Jaman Kwamreku and almost a ton safra Santa Kotoko legend Eric Kwabenabekwe and and some videos on the Facebook na must be Eric Bequin and Jaman Kwamreku and the Ghana Football Association eton safre oma ombetana say a debate a kasafa the super class ho nina na ye kwan a efe no efa so e dey promote to the big game ewo calendar na so ukaburu chire nyina saa no moye no Barcelona na Madrid be bo legends omototo safre legends no mo TV so ka won sem ne ade a entendo a Yaman Kwamreku and afi Eric Kwabena Bekwe omo ena efi no invite woma ombe promote game no be di game no nkomo ema you say yes the super class baso na me ya doma etena ewo Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium enche me de sa videos no be go Facebook ene hawa sama man kwamre kodi tuja en sama Eric Kwabena Bekwe e de tuja nyina no ibenya bi ahwe na yenya bi so atimi ati efi no so aspect eno no Chairman Justice game ne baso tena
yes at long last ye po game ne beba so ubebo umo game ne beba so first mami mo efe na baso and they are bet power anyway omo man so me promote omo koso ano omo nye mo ntwene nkoye kotokone house of folk nko ha eyo masede omo promote bia eboa clubs no promote ye efe no so ka ho mo nyina promote a eboa ma league no promotion aspect no etimi akoso Prince Kotoko house of folk nsam de eno ye buruburu bia so a eye de a me makase Kotoko house of folk psychologically the winning no win game the psychologically otimi psyche no huye winning no so the ura game no ma eye ta akoye de ma wo and club akwa psychologically why ya dear pa Accra psychologically has to me be no me dey beat it
je for Facebook some videos na to so no how I feel no e promote the Ghana Premier League no and that Facebook no so no omo yusu Yamanko Ameriku and Eric Kwabena Bekwe to ba Facebook no so a obetimi ahwe how I feel no e promote the super class.
So Prince, I think say a good thing. Maybe I make koso boy fi na ba so mo koso na omo promote san. E betimi aboa. But on the game itself there, Prince, honestly speaking, yanya Kotoko house of folk many gates. Banukure woman say. Yanya house of folk one nya de. But otimi Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Now di obedansa. What the Samudin Ibrahim. Omo nyade but omo timi bobo ne ye de ti asante Kotoko asha asante Kotoko Baba Yara ya nya Kotoko a owo form game wo die agbena Kotoko wie but from nowhere team manager Sabankwe na wo die animu wo too powder dey go house folk for no so wo de takashi so maso achi what the defeated Bobo Munsa enye psychologically wa beat Kotoko for nya hunu pe has of for ya duro omo de duro na aba na to omo so Prince be makura no unu ba ko dakwa na to so a eno na duma no ntimi bo wutanya dum say kim asa adie bia wo ye bia wuja bedum bia no you are off. And say has of folk that is some years no ma we na edum Kotoko ja and say edru baby Kotoko so start yes o musu be bibi and the time has of folk enyo omo no ma no musu yo omo de then no musu start ewremu e wo mental toughness psychologically no musu asas ewremu and wo pa he since Asabako every house of folk now house of folk I find it difficult to beat us. They also started doing something. Prince game way sankaya former Kotoko besha house of folk. Kaya fala. Game way sankaya by form, current form, and a deal room of Baba Yara Sports Stadium man. Kotoko besha house of folk. What do you go and watch Kotoko against Brekum Chelsea? Me beside me who said Kotoko never bo say. They were playing beautiful football. They were creating chances. Me who Kotoko abo game first had that Kotoko ni Brekum Chelsea. At the end of the day, they won that game by a goal to nil. Stephen Mukwala, I am involved in Kotoko 9 goals no machine. 9 goals no machine. Stephen Mukwala kwaye mu 8. But opa mi entra ho. Na nyame adwendo wo chena. Say why na boba chire ho. Say why na boba chire ho. Player bia obegina house of folk chire ho no Prince. So when you're that mental toughness, psychologically when you're not na and one no. I mean, has to focus baby Asante Kotoko. Forget about the former Asante Kotoko. And the Kotoko has to focus no. Prince say boy. Has to focus form was Kotoko. But Asante Kotoko or former or Branson was a house to focus. All because yet the BPA has to focus players in the yet the BPA say if you are playing against Asante Kotoko, say no sorry. But Asante Kotoko go there and play. It has been one very thing. Ahanti Asante Kotoko. So now, and the prince, we are going to watch a game. Yeah, better say with hearts of folk, the more femu. And in the kind of game Asante Kotoko enjoy of late. Can Asante Kotoko so make me we need that mental toughness over hearts of folk? And know you one thing. Sabalo technical aspect. Kotoko a bro has. Yeah, combine 11. Mini Filippo no win ya kikabo no. Clearly, Kotoko were dominating over House of Folk. So it tells you say, Pebi Biamuno Asante Kotoko are ahead over House of Folk. But on the pitch, Senyamiamwa, we will see a different House of Folk. We will see a different Kasara Wanet. We will see a different amount of Dennis Kwasa. And here Abukasa say the Bibia Jarim. Salenda neba, you because say in time when the Bibia run. It's all because House of Folk ewa debut or moye. Enye draw praise. Enye Bibia. They tell the player something. And I'm looking forward to see Kotoko Sabia Muslim. So Musa Timia Sadia Prince. This should be a game of Kotoko break. But some of my House of Folk, and we need that psychological aspect now. We will come here on Monday.
Okay, Librem.
I see. Asamosi. I've read 2 teams in the camp. And this morning, I'll analyze the game, both physical and spiritual. And Kotoko has the only match I'll be analyzing. No. I'll go deep into the game based on what is on the paper and analyze it. Just as me Aston Villa any Arsenal game. For instance, we had a form guide between the 2 teams. Asante Kotoko kita 100% form guide accurate, better than House of Folk. Kotoko. Omo ball no nansen no ISL Real Madrid no. Pipa panya no washo. Mo ball effort is Real Madrid CC. All aspects. Goalkeeper Felicity fantastic. 104.9 reflexes. Eye Juma. Ni saves on the bema. Chance onim say no be ye free ho. Fine goalkeeper. When they had issues at their defense, normal safety Justice Blake echo honum. He has been a phenomenon. Because na Kotoko 2 ono a Japan no die. Mabeka wa hase wasan. And so they should find a way to take him out from that position. He's their weakest link. And ever since Justice Blake kose honum no, Justice Blake has cemented the position as a number 2. Then no redeem in the center back with Ansu. Fine pair. Omumi combination of Fadia Massa. No shaking. And in middle, Richmond Lante Bullet. Sharif Mohammed. Was he? Our partnership. Interpositional play. Rotational policy. Wage ball not the money near when Mbabi Ojina. Richmond Lante. Fine pass. Accurate. Or the Bemau. So Lusu ball now. Recovery rate. Fine. Fantastic. Very fast. Normal recover. And so the ball retention on the part of Asante Kotoko a year Juma. And when they had one of the most creative and one of the best playmakers Ghana Premier League in the last 2 seasons in there, but due to injury to yen who ni more mono upon Nema, Kwasi Obeka Mukola Hono Mukola Enya go no na Kotoko ni mu so eluku fearsome nti omo ti ball no omo attack wa omo attack with upon name Mukola and Babayaya e da omo ti fine midfield and attack nti on the paper Asante Kotoko team no eluku fearsome ni ball ne ball the opposite because nyema nkoye enyema nkoye ma hasofo mlebi atwam no mo boss FC Barcelona ene mo boss Franco Bafo no na ya me ya se omo chama ne kasa se has bobo no this is not has it is on paper there Asante Kotoko should be able to dismantle House of Folk
104.9 FM
per current form and the kind of results are two teams no enya of late in their matches because see clearly Asante Kotoko is a favorite winning the match but see when you contact people I'm also a custodians of the game when it comes to spiritualism. My boy was Asante Kotoko. Where's the main team? They believe that Ometinashe has and they are going to win it. But they just want to beat House of Folk more than 3 goals. Not 4 names, no Mutiyeno. No much has Sabi. And in the spiritual realm, Asante Kotoko is working to beat House of Folk 4. Tenye Pau. Asante Kotoko. A more professional team. Where's the means for Nankasa specifically? I don't know some that stadium one now. I'm Franny and Fan and Rafa. Kwa no mapeke. Nyama omu here bi akwasi now so omusaka no musaka. Yeah, research no. The BI is order. They believe that they will win.
Okay, eventually.
But they want to beat House of Folk more than 4 goals and set a new record. But on the part of House of Folk, they also believe that yes, something unimaginable could happen. And the reason why Omunka I don't know. It's a battle in the spiritual realms. Then one thing on the bit me carry the day. But most importantly, always when Kotoko and House of Folk back who are former, ultimately winning. And it is giving House of Folk the upper hand to beat Kotoko.
Okay.
But see, I don't mind see how you call spiritual realm. I say, don't call me, ya say has, don't call me, ya say has. And one there cost. But that's it. But see, and after showing me Kumasi, now I could be. That's it. Kotoko, careful.